Hey everybody, YouTube, this is Kareem Mack. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate turtle brownies. We're going to start by melting the butter, which calls for 2 sticks of unsalted butter. Once it's done, pour it in a bigger bowl and add 2.5 cups of granulated sugar. Then add 2 teaspoons of vanilla. And then stir it until it's nice and blended. Then add 4 eggs and then stir it one at a time. Then add 3/4 cup of cocoa powder. And then stir it up until it's nice and blended. Then add half a teaspoon of baking powder. And a half a teaspoon of salt. And then stir that up. And then 1 cup of flour. And of course stir it up until it's nice and blended. Now using a buttered 9x13 cake pan, pour the batter inside and make sure you spread it pretty evenly. And then sprinkle it with 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. And then sprinkle 1 cup of pecans on top. Preheat your oven for 350 degrees and bake it from 20 to 25 minutes. And then take the caramel pieces like this and add 3 tablespoons of milk. And then microwave it for about a minute, stirring it 15 seconds at a time. This is how it should look like after you've microwaved it. And this is how your brownie should look like after you've taken it out of the oven. And then next, take the melted caramel and then drizzle it on top of the brownies. And this is how it should look like after you're finished with it. This is a very delicious recipe. Here's a suggestion. Take a piece of it and then microwave it for 45 seconds. And then take a scoop of ice cream and put it on top. It is so good. The recipe will be in the bottom of the description, so give it a try.